Hi, we're Donny and Anna. We have 5 children, love spending time together and learning new skills. 4 years ago, we fell in love with and purchased 46 acres not far from our home with the dream of building a small farm and home there that we've been working toward one project at a time. And today, the plan is to show you how we finished up the electrical and plumbing conduits for our barn build. If you've ever done any type of construction project, it can feel like certain parts of projects just drag on forever. And this one is one of those projects for us. It feels like between clearing, dirt work, concrete work, and all the things, we've been preparing for a structure for a very long time. But thankfully, we'll be getting to putting up our barn very soon. There's so much work that goes into a project that most people never really see or truly appreciate. Take these lines, for instance. Eventually, they'll all be covered by dirt, but they're a really important part of this project, and if they weren't there, you would definitely notice. Anyone's a parent knows that there's those moments where your toddler really wants to help you unload the dishwasher, and it really would be easier if they didn't. But if you let them, eventually they end up doing things like this.
So right now between the barn and heading towards the house, we have one 4-inch PVC sewer line, 3 electrical conduits, and then I ran an 1.5 inch PVC conduit here for a 3/4 inch PEX line that's going to run water out to the barn. Next step is going to be to run a 4-inch PVC sewer line out the edge of the barn here, and we're going to put in a little RV station. I already have electrical conduit stubbed up here, and now we're going to have a 4-inch stub up for a sewer dump.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, it would mean a lot to us if you give this video a like, subscribe, and until next time, bye!